Welcome to YUKO. Today, we are going to flow to breathe better. We are living in forward bending society, and when you are looking at your phone, your neck is already tucked, and that you can see your airway is closed. And you are on a keyboard all day, your shoulder is rounded, so you can see your chest is closed. And from my experience, your heart is physically closed. You kind of get the sad, depressive mode I was. So just open up your chest, open up your front of your body to feel better and physically feel better. So let's check how we breathe. Go ahead and place your hands under your rib cage and just do the chest breathing. Don't forget about the ujjayi breath. Just inhale to your lung and see how your finger moves. So fingers shouldn't be separate. If when breathing properly, when you inhale, your lower rib cage is lifted. And just sense that. In slow inhale, lift your lower rib cage and relax. And inhale, your lower rib cage is lifted. And exhale. Do one more. Inhale, lift your lower rib cage and out. And also, when you're properly breathing, upper rib cage expand to the side. So touch your upper rib cage somehow, just maybe one finger, just touch your upper rib cage and sense your rib cage, how it's moved. So when you inhale, is it expand out or not? If it's not, really focus on the rib cage, push out. And relaxing exhale. Two more. Inhale, rib cage expand to the side and relax. Another inhale, expand your rib cage to the side and relax. Let's do a few more breaths. You can rest your hands on the leg or hands under your chest. And inhale, rib cage lift and open. And relaxing exhale. Very conscious inhale. Inhale, lift your lower rib cage, expand upper rib cage. Out. Do two more. Inhale. Notice the lifting sensation of your rib cage. Out. Now inhale, move your rib cage up and open. And out. And let's start moving. So go ahead and open your right leg. Left foot in. And go ahead and bring your right hand outside of your right leg. Toes and knees are pointing forward. And take a deep inhale to lengthen spine. And keep your left hip on the floor. And gently bend your spine to the right. And place your hands behind your head. And engage the elbow. Inhale to pull your elbows up as far as you can. So you can feel the opening to your rib cage. And exhale, look down for a little twisting motion. Inhale, lift your elbow up. And exhale, relax and twist. Again, inhale, lift your elbows up to open rib cage. And exhale, relax, a little lancing to the rib cage. Inhale, lift your elbow. And exhale, relax. Let's do one more. Inhale, lift your rib cage. And exhale, relax. And go ahead and bring your both hands to the floor and slightly tuck your chin to keep your neck straight. I don't want you to let go of your neck. So keep your neck aligned with other part of the spine. And inhale, move crown of head forward. And exhale, relax, and space between stomach and legs are closing. And inhale, crown of head forward. Exhale, stomach get close to the leg. Another inhale, crown of your head forward, eye gaze on the leg. And relax your shoulder, exhale. Let's for two more inhale. And relaxing exhale. Do one more inhale, lengthening whole spine all the way to the top of your neck. And relaxing exhale. And go ahead and sit up and do other side. Open left leg, right foot in. And bring your left hand outside of your left leg. And keep your right hip on the floor. And tilt your spine to the left. Right hand behind. Inhale, lift your right elbow, look up. So open up right side of the rib cage. Exhale, elbows down, little twisting motion. And inhale, lift your elbow to open rib cage. Exhale, little twisting motion to lengthen rib cage. Inhale, lift your elbow, look up. And exhale, relax and twist. Let's do two more. Inhale, lift your elbow. And exhale, relax. Last one, inhale, lift your elbow. And exhale, relax. And go ahead and bring your both hands to the floor. Stretch your spine so chest is pointing to your left foot. And inhale to lengthen the whole spine over to the top of your neck. I guess should be foot or maybe ankle, depends on how long your torso is. And exhale, relax. Space between stomach and thighs are closing. Inhale, move crown of your head forward. Keep your chin in. And exhale, relax your stomach. Inhale, move crown of your head forward, lengthening back. Exhale, stomach and leg get closer. Few more breaths. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, relax. Let's do one more. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, relax. And inhale, slowly sit up. And let's coming into tabletop, hands and knee. And if you like, keep your toes tucked so you can keep your feet warm. And bring your right elbow down, palm facing at you, and touch your back with right elbow. And you can keep your left hand here, extending forward. And take a deep inhale. And with exhale, move your hip to the back and lower your right shoulder. And you do hip movement with your breath. Inhale, shoulder forward. Exhale, hip to the heel, lower your shoulder. Then inhale, shoulder forward. And exhale, hip to the back, lower your shoulder, and let's stay here. Inhale, lengthen, keep your chin in. And exhale, relax your right shoulder, and let the weight of your shoulder taking care of the stretch. Inhale, exhale, relax right shoulder. Then inhale, exhale, relax right shoulder. Do one more inhale. Sense the right side of the rib cage. And relax. And inhale to slowly sit up. And go ahead, left hand under your shoulder, right hand in front of your left hand, and take a deep inhale. Now exhale, move your both hip to the right heel and look your left. And let's move with the breath. Inhale, shoulder forward. Exhale, both hip to the right heel. Inhale forward. Exhale, hip to the right heel and look your left and with stay. Then inhale. Exhale, relax your head. If you choose, inhale, walk your right hand forward. Deep opening to the right side. Exhale, relax. Just stay here. Sense the space on the right side of the rib cage. Shoulder. Just no pain. Just inhale to open up your right side. Then we switch side. So if you choose, extending right arm forward and drop your left elbow and touch your back with left hand. And just hip to the back, lower your left shoulder. Inhale, shoulder forward. Exhale, hip to the back, lower your left shoulder. Inhale forward. Exhale, hip to the heel, lower your left shoulder. And this time we stay. Eyes on the floor. Keep your chin in if you choose. Okay, use your exhale to surrender to the weight of your left shoulder. So shoulder get close to the floor to open up. So you feel deep opening to the elbow, to the top of your pelvis on the left side. And keep your breath smooth. And coming up to tabletop. And bring your left hand in front of your right hand. And start inhale to the left side. Exhale, hip to the left heel. And then look your right. And inhale forward. Exhale, hip to the back. One more. Inhale forward. Exhale, hip to the left heel. And let's stay. And inhale to sense your left side of the rib cage. Exhale, relax your left arm, relax your hip. And inhale to inflate your left lung, left side of the rib cage. And relax left armpit, exhale. Just humor. Inhale to the left side. And relaxing, exhale. And inhale to the left side. And relaxing, exhale. And inhale to slowly sit up. And let's coming into comfortable sitting posture. And lower your shoulder a few times. So inhale to lift your shoulder. Exhale, drop your shoulder, raise. Inhale, lift your shoulder. Exhale, drop your shoulder and shoulder raise. So move your shoulder blade. Inhale, lift your shoulder blades. Exhale, drop your shoulder blade. Inhale, lift your shoulder blades. Exhale, drop them. And let's go back to the breathing practice we did first. So place your hands under your chest. Touch your fingertips together. And let's inhale. So lift your lower rib cage. Open up upper rib cage. And relax. Inhale. And exhale, relax. Do 2 more. Inhale, maybe you can open up your shoulder with breath. Out. Another inhale, lift crown of your head as well. Exhale, relax your cheek, relax shoulder. Release your hands. And how do you feel? I feel taller and I feel really good. I hope you feel the same. And let's do more yoga with me. You can come see me here on the YouTube, or you can come see me on the live class at the Zoom. So see you next time. Thank you so much.